Welcome to our stock market funding pro trading students who attend the SMF Pro Trading School and use the SMF mathematical market maker platform and understanding how to create a market with the market makers on the floor. We have a system that works. We encourage you to sign up and see it. If you want to make opinion about it, fine. These trades were done with our students, and we did them, and we record lots of them. This is called a gap on Apple. I'm sorry. Here's the closing price. There it is today, Monday. There's that burn that on the opening bell you ran straight up, and when you got above this pivot line and you dipped below that, that made this a long. The minute that it cleared it, the SMF traders know it got overbought in this little bit of time. Got to remember, this is 6:30, 9:30 a.m. when they open on the opening bell, and that's where a lot of the volatility and these wiggles and jiggles come from. Now, you'll notice that what the SMF Pro Traders did do right today in the school is that they were able to capture this move. And I just want them to know that with what they're taught with, it starts with the green bar. As we start to work up and you get in, your stop market goes a penny below here. They know that. They let it go up. The lows that we were experiencing is that these lows right here were not going lower, and you have to let the little 369 little bull flag pullback come in. But you made another high. This was high number 1. This is high number 2, and that was high number 3. And we pulled back, but we did not go below this trend line, and it meant that buyers had already started to make the move. SMF Pro Traders understood that with the crossover here, and that's where the move was. That percent DS was traveling well above that black line. And I'm not going to go into the tape. The students know what I'm talking about. That's who this tape is for. It's also for you too. If you want to come to the Pro Trading School, you can, and all you have to do is sign up, take a free 5-day trial. And our certified instructors, I'm a 30-year veteran trader, teaching these people how to do it right. Now, basically what we did was that we got up here, we got up above another pivot, and we came down, and they were selling. When they bought the original move here, they added to the position. When it didn't break and we started another up move, and during this little consolidation we added more, and we got the rest of that breakout. Right in that bar on that reversal and resistance is where we started selling, and down came the stock, and the trade was executed, and the SMF Pro Trading did it right. And once again, if you don't pull the trigger and understand where that consolidation low is versus the last low of the opening bell, that's the opening bell low right here. That's the opening bell low right there. That's how they zipped it. Then, but guess what? The seller never had control. And basically that's the wiggle, the jiggle, but the seller never had control, and the buyer took it off, and we sold into it. It was a very nice trade on Apple. Another part of an Apple trade that they did today was that they did do a short sell, and basically intraday the SMF Pro Traders said, hey, we're breaking down, and I says, okay, put the short back up here. Never short the bottom here. The SMF Pro Trader knows not to chase the short. You do not short support. You put it back up here, up above the market, which they did. They got hit. It came down. It bounced. The rule is that those tops, if you could not close above that blue line, and as long as you can't close above it, you stay short, and bam, they got the greater move. They did it excellent. Apple went into a 3-minute sell signal. Percent DS crossed over percent DA. That's the weak part of the move. They did extremely well. This pullback here was just an intraday pullback that can be traded 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 minutes down. You make profits going down. And that was a 15-minute move that way, and this was another exact mathematical range. StockMarketFunding.com encourages you to take the free 5-day trial. See our market maker platform. It's mathematical. It deciphers all these trades in and out. And that's the gift of the SMF Pro Trading student. If you have an opinion, if you watch the video and you don't believe it, well, come and see it for 5 days. Then make your opinion. Tell me what you have to say then. So basically the tape is really for the students. They did extremely well on every move that they made. They got the up move. They got this short. Okay. There was a couple other traders that did get the shorter term short here, but they're learning how to operate the directional mathematical movements. They add up. That move is money. That move is money. Another down move is money. All of those trades add up by understanding how to get that short-term breakout, and basically this is what that Apple did. They did real well. And all their indicators that they're taught how to use, they know what they are. They work perfectly as well. And that's a wonderful thing. Good job, SMF Pro Trading students on Apple computer. Once again, folks, we do encourage you to come to stockmarketfunding.com. This was a nice trade. It was. Come and see how they trade during the day. These are nice moves. This is why the SMF Pro Trader can make a living as a market maker and a pro trader at SMF with its pro trading team and everyone engaging and acting together. That's why what we do here during the day is we have lots of traders all examining, applying what they learn, and making an income. That's the nice thing. There's nothing better than being a trader.